Well, this is week 4, and the lesson is logistic regression. So we'll be doing logistic regression in R today. And there's some things that we need to do. You can actually follow along in your textbook. The instructions for this start on page 263 and go until the end of that chapter. But we're only going to do a part of this. And the part that we're going to do is to load a database called Gorilla. Now, Gorilla comes from an external source, so we're going to learn some new commands today. And I have pre-typed these commands into a text editor. The text editor I like to use is called Notepad++. Has a lot of additional functions than the base Notepad. And I like to copy, when I have some complex code to write, I like to put it in to a notebook first to check to make sure that I have the spellings correct and the syntax correct. Otherwise, I'm going to get errors when I try to run it in R. So the first thing that this is going to do is it's going to read a file from a website and load it into a database that we have named Gorilla. You're not going to see anything magic there happen. We should also put it into our array. And the next line of code, or 2, is a logistic regression. I'm going to load this as fit1, and it's a general linear model with a formula, which we'll talk about. The family's binomial with the link function logit, which makes it a logistic regression. And the data is coming from the database Gorilla. The formula is seen W times C times CW. And those are all explained in the text. So, 2 things I'm going to do now is enter the logistic regression. It'll run really quick and model this and give me a summary of the fit since I asked it for a summary. And there it is. It's got the table with the coefficients. And all the other things that you need in order to write out the logistic equation. And that's all we're going to do as far as the intro goes. Have fun in your lab.